Welcome everyone to Mathematrix. Today we'll be learning few tricks on time, speed and distance. So here's the first question. Two bombs exploded at an interval of 32 minutes. A man approaching towards the explosion spot. Here's the second explosion after 30 minutes. If the speed of the sound of the explosion is 225 meters per second, find the speed of the man. Okay, so we'll make two diagrams, one for the bomb and one for the man. We'll add the two intervals 32 minutes for the bombs and the time for the man, it is given 30 minutes. Okay, we'll first take the difference of these two times. Okay, we'll write it over here. We'll write the difference over here. It is 2, 32 minus 32, and over here we'll keep it as 30. Now this is the time ratio given over here. Okay, 2:30. Simplify this, that will become 1:15. And for speed, we know that speed is inversely proportional to time. So it will become 15:1. Here it is given the sound of the explosion, speed of the sound of the explosion. So here we will be writing 225 meters per second. Okay. So over here it is 15. So we'll multiply 15 over here as well. So it becomes 15 meters per second. We got the speed of the man. We needed the speed, we got it, 15 meters per second. Okay, we'll move on to another similar question. Similarly, the time is given over here, the interval time and the second explosion time, what the man hears. But in this case, he is going away from the spot. Okay, and the speed of the man is given over here. Okay, 20 kilometers per hour. We'll do the same thing. Bomb, man. We'll write the timings 32 minutes, 34 minutes. Take the difference like the previous one. So 34 minus 32, we'll take it 2. And we'll keep this side as 34. We'll always keep the right side same as the previous. Okay. This is the time ratio we have got. Okay. Simplify this. It becomes 1:17. And again, for speed, it will reciprocate as time is inversely proportional to speed. Okay. So in this case, the speed of the man is given. So this becomes 20. Here it is given as 20 kilometers per hour. And over here it will become 340 kilometers per hour. Got it? We'll check another question. In this case, two cars are given. Okay, two cars start from the same spot at an interval of 20 minutes. Okay, a man approaching towards the starting point of the cars meets the cars at 60 minutes of intervals. Okay, this meets the second car at 60 minutes after 60 minutes. So the speed of the cars are given 48 kilometers per hour. Okay, find the speed of the man. Similarly, we'll take it as car, and this one is man. Again, the time intervals 20, and over here 16. Take the difference. We'll add the difference over here, and we'll keep it as same. So this is the time ratio. Again, we'll cancel it. It becomes 1:4. For speed, becomes the reciprocal 4:1. Okay. Here the speed of the cars are given. So this is 48 kilometers per hour. So this would become 12 kilometers per hour. Got it? Let's move on to the next question. In this case, the man is going away. Similar to the previous question, but this time the man is going away. Okay. So same scenario, car, man. Okay, the car 20 and the man meets the second car at 24. We'll take the difference again, 4, and this side we'll keep it as 24. Then the time ratio 1:6. Speed will reciprocate 6:1. And here the speed of the man is given, that is 5 kilometers per hour. That means it is multiplied by 5. We'll also multiply by 5 over here. It becomes 30 kilometers per hour. This is our answer. We'll look at another type of question, okay? Okay. In this question, 2 guns are fired, okay, at an interval of 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. A man coming towards the rifles hears the second sound after 9 minutes. Okay. Speed of the sound is 450 meters per second. Find the speed of the man. Okay. Same scenario. We'll take the gun, take the man. It takes 9 minutes and 30 seconds. And the man hears the second sound at 9 minutes. Okay. Similarly, we'll take the difference, 30 seconds. And this will remain as 9 minutes. But as this is in seconds, we'll convert it into seconds. That will become 540 seconds. Okay. Again, the time ratio. This will become 1:18. Again, speed will reciprocate it. 18:1. Okay. Here the speed of the sound is given 450 meters per second. That becomes 450 meters per second. So this will be around 25. Okay. So over here we will also be multiplying 25. It becomes 25 meters per second. So we'll be converting it into kilometers per hour. We'll multiply 18 by 5. Okay. So 5. Okay. 18 into 5, 90. 90 kilometers per hour. Options were given in the kilometers per hour. So we had to convert it into kilometers per hour. Option D is correct.